have the parrot eating orrego biscuits. Tell me, do you like the orrego biscuits? Oh, yummy. Cream on them. What about your mate? Is your mate going to come? So this is live from Canberra, the Australian Capital Territory. This is just a wild parrot, flew in from the bushland that surrounds our unit. I dare say he's done this before. How do I know it's a he? Because it's pretty smart, that's why. So it must be a he. That's probably she sitting way over there. Here we are. We're coming in. We're going to get some more orrego biscuit. Thank you. What are you going up there for? We can't see you when you're up there. So this is a very rare opportunity to get really up close and personal with this wild Australian native parrot. And that brilliant red, mauve, and then the mauve and black there. Can you turn around and talk to us? Thank you. That's better. The other one's getting edgy now. It goes, how come this one's eating all the biscuit? Yeah, come and get some more biscuit. Look at that. We have the second one coming now, saying, how come I'm not getting any food? Well, that's easy because you're not down here eating. They're talking. Says, is it safe? Is the second one coming? Come and get the biscuit. Come on, come and get the biscuit. That's, yes. Oh, it says, yeah, you can have some biscuit. Look, biscuit's on the table. Yeah, look here. Look, see? Look, here's some biscuit. You'll get it all, won't you? Says, yes, I'll eat it all. No one else wants it. There's going to be the other one's going under the table. So this is really up close and personal with the Australian. There it is. It says, I'm not quite as game as the other one. This one says, I will. It says, I'll eat it all. I won't waste any. So there, got last piece. So that's been today's. Oh, you're going to share it, are you? No, says, I'm not going to share it. It's all mine. So that's 4 minutes of rare Australian parrots. Hit the like button. Tell us about some native animals in your country.